Hey everyone, today we're gonna go around and look for wildlife, animals, but before we do, let's plant our seedlings, because if you look here, these sunflowers are getting pretty droopy. It's time for their roots to go in more dirt so that they can get strong and grow up instead of down. So let's dig a hole and put these in. Gently take them out, put them in the ground, cover them up with dirt, and push it down. Now our sunflowers, remember how we put 4 seeds next to each other? It looks like all 4 seeds actually grew, but they can't stay together because they need more space. So I have to break them apart, and I'm going to do that gently so that we don't hurt their roots. That might be tricky. Looks like some of them have grown together. Okay. That's a pretty clean break. Just dig them a little hole, stick them in, cover them up with dirt. Sunflowers grow big, so I'm going to give them some space. Alright, we've got our radishes and our sunflowers planted. We might move this radish later, but we'll leave them here for now. Let's go find some wildlife. This is a bumblebee. They are a type of bee. There's lots of types of bees. Bumblebees don't make honey, and they don't live in a beehive. They live by themselves, but they do go to all the flowers, and it's hard to see on this guy, but he actually has red stuck to his legs, and that's all the pollen from the flowers. Alright, we're gonna leave him alone now, but that is a bumblebee. This is a toad. It's like a frog, but it lives on land, and its skin is bumpy. Sometimes we don't see the animals, but we see what they leave behind. This is called scat. It's also known as poop. I wonder what animal it came from. I'm gonna guess that it is a deer. What's your guess? This might be hard to see, but this is ant holes that are part of a big anthill in the lawn. Underground live all of the ants together, and they have one queen who lays all the eggs, and everybody else goes and finds food and makes these ant tunnels so they can live underground. This is a centipede. They have lots of legs. Some of them sting, so we're not going to pick it up. They eat other little bugs. Here we have a skull, or some kind of bones. I actually don't know what animal this would be. Looks like a skull to me, though. What animal do you think that this skull could belong to?